Hi, my name is Haley Wood, and this is my AEP 800 Module 1 introduction video. A few things about me. I received my undergraduate degree from Kansas State University in 2015. I am currently a 6th grade math teacher at Larned Middle School, which is about 60 miles south of Hayes. This will be my second year teaching at Larned and my third year teaching overall. I taught 4th grade before I came to Larned. Our middle school has about 200 students and it covers grades 6 through 8. I think that technology is very important to prepare our students for the future. It allows resources to be accessed in the classroom that normally wouldn't be, maybe due to funding or location of where you are. Technology provides individualized instruction for students, which can be very beneficial due to large class sizes or varying levels of student understanding or where they're at. Technology can be very useful to show student growth and the progress that they make and easily communicated between teachers or across schools or districts. Technology can be very engaging to students. I've noticed that when I incorporate technology into my lessons, the students are automatically more engaged, more excited to learn, and they just really enjoy using that technology. I have noticed though that it takes a lot of time for students to learn how to use technology. Yes, a lot of these kids have grown up with maybe a phone or a lot of technology in their hand, but just using some of the programs and computers, I still notice that it still takes a little bit of time for them to get used to using it and kind of understand how to do it, which can take away from instruction. My district does a really good job of providing opportunities related to technology. We have tech in the building where someone from our tech department comes and visits with all of the teachers to see if there's anything they need help with technology related or things they'd like to see. And they also provide summer classes for teachers to kind of just get them acquainted with some of the things that they provide. When I was a new teacher in the district last year, they did an iPad training where they just kind of showed us different apps that we could use in our teaching. Personal use. I have a MacBook and an iPad that the school provided. They provide all of the teachers for use. I have a set of iPads in my classroom, and all of the classrooms in our middle school have either an iPad set or Chromebooks for use. Our elementary school and high school don't have that necessarily for every classroom, so we're not quite one-to-one across district. I do use Google Classroom a little bit in my class. Also, we have an individualized learning program that we use for math and reading, and it just kind of, the students take a test at the beginning of the year, and then it kind of puts them specifically where their grade level is. It provides a pathway for them that is specific to their understanding and what they need to do. And then they take it again middle of the year and at the end of the year. So it's really good for us teachers to see the progress that the students have made and kind of where they were started and finished. I have realized that it is a little harder to use technology in math, as I feel paper and pencil working out math problems I think is very important to do, and I feel that that's a lot harder to do on technology, whether it be your computer or just a lot of the programs I've seen. I find it difficult to show work that's done in math on technology. My proposed plan, I just need to learn about the resources that are specific to math, because I'm sure there's ways out there that kind of help that not having paper and pencil to use on technology. I just need to learn and find those ways. And then once I learn about those ways, I need to plan activities. I need to take the time to see how I can incorporate those into my classroom. Impact of funding, like I said, our district is not one-to-one, so the students cannot take the devices home with them, even though I have them in my classroom. And a lot of our students come from low-income families, so they don't have technology at home or internet usage, so it makes it difficult to send things home with the students' projects and whatnot. And then the programs that we use and the technology that we have can be very expensive to update, so then it's kind of taking away from the technology that we do have. I wish I had a smart board in my room. I think that would be great to use for math, but unfortunately due to funding we don't have that. We got a new superintendent this year in our district, and he expressed the opportunities that they plan to provide for professional development. They said if we want to do it, we just need to come talk to them. So hopefully I can have that take advantage of those opportunities and find some related to technology and how I can use them in my math classroom. Thanks for watching. I look forward to working with you all this semester.